Hello बच्चा पार्टी, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू आर ऑल गुड. नाउ स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.1 जहाँ पे कल छोड़ा था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट बी पार्ट -60 प्लस -11 प्लस -9 एंड प्लस 100. सो -60 -11 प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई -11 प्लस माइनस -9 प्लस 100. First of all, 100 is greater part of all negative integers. Then 100 minus 60 minus 11, 71. Both integers are negative. So sign V negative and -9. Minus 71 and -9, -80. 100 minus 80, 20. Next part is the additive inverse of 3 minus 8, -4 and -4. So first bracket 3 minus 8 is so simple. Minus minus multiply is plus. Then 4. 3 minus 8 plus 4. So first of all positive integers sum. 4 plus 3 7 and -8. Here negative integer is greater than the positive integer. So answer is -1. But we should want additive inverse. Additive inverse of -1 equal to 1. Now next part, D part. What is the D part? The sum of an integer and additive inverse is always sum of an integer. Like that, a integer is here a and its additive inverse, and additive inverse minus a. What is the additive inverse of a? Minus a. The sum of an integer and additive inverse is always a plus minus a. Sum plus minus equal to 0. Here answer is 0. Next question number 2. Here is solve. Compare the following integers using greater than, less than or equal. Now 7 minus 6. 7 is positive integer and 6 is negative integer. So 7 is greater than the -6. -2 and 0. 0 neither positive nor negative. Okay, so 0 is greater. -8 -3 and -4. -8 -3 in absolute value and -4. Here -8 -3 -11 and -4. What is the absolute value of -11? 11 -4. So 11 is greater than -4. Here -19 and -20. Simple. -19 and absolute value is always positive. So 20 is greater than -19. Now question number 3. Arrange in ascending order. Question number 3. Arrange in ascending order. So now change the color. First of all, first is -8, 7, -5, 13, 0 and 4. So now in ascending order, first of all, what is the negative number? Here is -8. First number is -8. Next -5. Next 0. Next 4. Next 7. And last is 13. Second part is -13, 25, 7, 15, 1 and -7. Now here is ascending order same. ascending order. Here is smallest number is minus 13. Next minus 7. Next 1. Next 7. But we have concern minus 7 and plus 7. Both integers are present, negative and positive. So be careful for minus 7 and 7. 1, 7, next 15 and last 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, simplify the following. Question number 4. Simplify. First of all, minus 15 minus 40. Now we have solved the equation. Minus 15 same as, but here minus and minus multiply is plus 40. So can we write 40 minus 15? Here 40 is positive integer. Next 40 minus 15 is 25. Next B part. B part here 136 plus minus 127. Correct? Now solve the integer. 136 plus minus multiply minus and 127. So what is subtraction? Is 9. Here 136 is positive integer greater than the negative integer. So answer is in positive. Here is answer. Now C part. Here C part is 19 minus 5 plus 17 and plus 0. Now 19 and 17 are positive integer. So first of all 19 and 17 sum of 19 and 17. 19 and 17 sum 36. Minus multiple plus 5. 17 plus 0 17 and 17 plus 19 36. Answer is 41. Now next color is okay. D part. What is D part? 57 plus minus 11 minus 10 plus 7. 57 and 7 are positive integer. 57 and 7 are positive integer. So add 64. Plus and minus 11 minus plus 10. 64 plus 10 74. 74 minus 11. 74 minus 11 4 minus 1 3 and 7 minus 6. This is the answer. Now E part. E part here minus 50 plus minus 150 plus 200. Okay. Now minus 50 plus minus 150 plus 200. Here minus 50 and minus 150 both of negative integers. So first of all minus 150 and 50 sum. What is the sum of minus 50 and 150? Minus 200 plus 200. Here one number is negative and one number is positive. So additive inverse of 200 is minus 200. Now we cancel. Answer is 0. F part are in homework. Now question number 5. Question number 5. What is the question number 5? A minus B equal A plus B. A plus B for the following values of A and B. ठीक है. So A equal 3 and V equal minus 5. ओके, हमें प्रूफ करना है A माइनस माइनस V इक्वल A प्लस B. नाउ वी प्रूव. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ A. 3 minus bracket, here already sign is present negative, minus what is the value of B? Minus 5. Here A equal to 3 plus B equal to minus 5. 3 minus minus plus, so number is minus 5, plus minus minus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 equal 3 minus 5. Here minus integer is greater than the positive integer. Answer is minus 2. Here same minus 2 equal minus 2. Next, B A equal to 18 and B equal to 25. Equation is A minus B equal A plus B. A equal 18 minus 25. 18 plus 25. Minus plus equal 18 plus 25. Answer is 43 equal 43. Now question number 6. Subtract the sum of minus 110 and 235. So first of all, A part में value of A equal to minus 110 and V equal to 235. And here is B part. A equal value of 103 and V equal to minus 117. Now, so first of all solve the A part. Here is A part, sum of A part, A plus B. Here A value is minus 110 and V equal to 235. Now can we write 235 minus 110 equal 125, and sum of B part A plus B. Here is A equal to 103 plus minus 117 plus minus 117. Answer is minus 14 because negative integer is greater than the positive integer. Now subtract the sum from the sum. So subtract the part of b of a, subtract the part of a from part of b. तो b part minus a part. What is the value of b part? Minus 14. And what is the part of value a? 125. So answer is, both integers are negative, so answer will be in negative, and minus minus plus, so 139. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 चलिए यहीं पे कराते हैं. Additive inverse of a positive integer is always negative. Additive inverse of a positive integer is negative. Here, like that, a and negative integer is minus a. Answer is true. Next, the sum of two integers is always positive. Sum of two integers, like that, a and minus v. Sum here is 18 and v is minus 25. The sum of two integers is always positive. Sum of two integers, here minus a and minus 18, then minus 18 and minus 25. तो minus 18 plus minus 25, minus 18 and minus 25 equal to minus 43. Okay, now 0 is a positive integer. False. ये भी false और ये भी false, because I have discussed already 0 neither positive and nor negative. Okay, the sum of four different integers can never be 0. Four different integers, minus 18, minus 17 and 15 and let 10. The sum of four different integers, minus 18 plus minus 17 plus 15 and plus 10. Minus 18 plus minus minus, minus 18 and 17, 35. 10 plus 15, 25 equal minus 10. Answer is can never be 0. यहाँ पे तो बात बन गई, never be 0. But four different integers, minus 18, minus 17 and plus 18 and 17 different integers हैं. अब here is some minus 18 plus minus minus plus 18 plus 17, 17 17 18 18 cancel. Answer 0. The sum of four different integers can never be 0. बिल्कुल. So statement is false. Minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Absolute. Because here is number line 0 and minus 1. Because near of 0 minus 1, so minus 1 is the greatest number of negative integers. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. The sum of two integers is solution. The sum of two integers is minus 15. Let the two integer is a and v. We have sum of two integers is minus 51. Here, if one of the integer is 14, so now a equal to 14 according to question. A plus b equal to minus 51. Here value of a 14, b equal to minus 51. Now we have find the value of b. Now b equal to minus 51. Here 14 is positive integer. Now transfer b other side is negative. So b equal to minus minus plus, but sign is always minus because both integers are negative. Minus 51 and 14, 65. So what is the answer? V, minus 65. Now next question. The temperature of A city drops by 15 degrees centigrade in 1 month. Question number 9. The temperature of a city drops. Here, question number 9. 9 is the temperature of a city drops by 15 degrees centigrade in 1 month if the present day temperature, here is not clear what is the right. So now let the temperature is present day is minus 14 degree. So after 1 month ago, after 1 month, what is the temperature? If present day is minus 14 degree, 15 degrees dropped, minus 15 and minus 15. Here is minus 15 because temperature is dropped. So now minus minus plus 15 minus 4, 11. So answer is 15 degree centigrade. Now question number 10. A submarine was floating at a depth of 640 meter below the sea level. Here depth of submarine, let the sea level here and submarine present is here. Depth of submarine minus 640. So if its ascent 230 meter means 230 meters ऊपर की ओर गई. New location is 230 meters. So ask the question, express the position in the terms of depth. अब हमें बतानी है डेप्थ के अकॉर्डिंग कि इसकी पोजीशन क्या है. फर्स्टली 640 मीटर, नाउ इट्स ऊपर गई है 230 मीटर. सो now present submarine position. So now present submarine 230 meter. Position of submarine. New position of submarine minus 640 ऊपर गई plus 230. Here minus 640 is negative integer is larger than the positive integer. Minus 640 plus 230 is 410. So new position of submarine is minus 410 from the minus 640 meter. Now last question is, two cyclists from the same point on a mountain, like that mountain is point T. Here is A and B present. A cyclist travel करता है 1200 मीटर in 20 मिनट. A और B के लिए हमें टाइम कैसा दिया गया है? बिल्कुल सेम. कितना? 20 मिनट. A डाउनवर्ड्स मीन्स नीचे आता है कितना? 1200 मीटर. बिकॉज इसको ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर, ये ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये नीचे आता है. जब कोई चीज़ ऊपर से नीचे आती है तो क्या होता है? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करती है. बस वहीं अगर हम लोग ऊपर जाएंगे तो वो टाइम ज़्यादा लेगी और डिस्टेंस हम लोग कम कवर करेंगे. जबकि बी ट्रेवल्स अपवर्ड, मतलब ऊपर जा रहा है, तो कितना उसने कवर किया? 350. पूछा ये गया है कि आफ्टर 20 मिनट्स what is the difference between, so distance between A to B after 20 मिनट क्या होगा? 1200 मीटर प्लस 350 मीटर. दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 1550 मीटर. ओके, आई होप क्लास इज गुड, आपको पसंद आएगी. So please subscribe the channel and like the video. Radhe Radhe.